Hello everyone. In today's session we are going to learn how to use forms with the help of DOM. In the previous session we have learned how to get the values of elements from the HTML using DOM. But today we are going to learn how we can get these values very easily with the help of forms. So we can access the element of the form in DOM quite easily using the name or ID of that particular form. Let's see an example. If we have form with some name with it and some inputs inside that particular form, so if we want to access these values, for example uname and password, we can easily get it with the help of one array, and that array is belongs to document object. That array is forms, and we can specify and name or id here, and after that we can simply use all the names or ids of that inputs here, and we can get the values of those inputs. So it would be very easier with the help of document.getElement by id or name or tag name. We also can get these values, but with the help of forms it would be easier. Let's see an example. In the previous session we have done this with the help of document.getElements by tag name or getElement by id. We have done this thing, but if we specify form over here, form with some name or id, my form, let's say, and I'm closing the form here. So now our inputs are inside a form, and the name of that form is my form. So it would be very easy if we access directly from them document.forms, and we'll specify an index as a my form, that is an array index of that particular array my form, and we'll get some object. So we need not to write all this. We can directly get f dot username, and if we want password we can directly get f dot password. So it would be very easier and readable way to get the values. The output would be the same here, or in, if we want to use like here only the values, then we can specify it here also dot value, and here also dot value. That way it will also work the same way, but it would be very easier and readable way. Let's see, when I run this particular file and I value give the proper input, it will give me valid user, and if I do not specify it properly or the way it should be, it will be invalid user, right? It is easier and more readable way of writing a code with the help of forms in a DOM. Thank you.